Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum, created the Cardano stage in 2015, and it was released in 2017. As a result of the decentralized blockchain stage, the ecosystem arrangements will be more secure. When compared to competitors such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, its adaptable blockchain network consumes the least amount of energy. According to the most recent long-term estimate, Cardano will cost $2 by the end of 2021 and $3 by the end of 2022. Cardano is expected to be worth $5 by the end of 2024 and $10 by the end of 2030. CoinMarketCap was ranked number 6 at the time of recording this video, with a live market cap of $34,552,325,139. In 2021, the price of Cardano began at 18 cents. Cardano is now worth $1.93, representing a 969% increase in value since the start of the year. Cardano is expected to cost $2.07 by the end of 2021, representing a 1,046% increase over last year. From now until the end of the year, the increase is 7%. In the first half of 2022, the Cardano price will rise to $3. In the second half, the price will rise by 18 cents to close the year at $3.18, a plus 65% increase over the current price. The Cardano value forecast for 2025, according to Economy Watch, aims to break through the $10 barrier by the end of the year. It's possible that a coin will cost more than $20 in 2030. Cardano's price prediction for 2025 is $19.98 by the end of 2030, up from $9 at the beginning of the year. Cardano has recently seen a number of changes, the most notable being the arrival of Alonzo Purple. Now comes the Hydra overhaul, which has piqued the interest of many. Following the Alonzo Purple update, the type of astute agreements changed dramatically. It contributed to the creation of non-fungible tokens, NFT, and altered the blockchain. It will also raise the value of the ADA coin, potentially doubling it by the end of the year. Furthermore, ADA Cardano had 100 million dynamic wallets in May, but this number has increased to 200 million in the last 6 months. Cardano cryptocurrency forecasts for 2024 predict a price of $6.50 by the end of the year. According to Cardano Data and Trading Education forecasts, the 2024 high could be more than $6.80, with a low of around $4.72. Significant changes in industry situations, market positions, financial incursions, strategy reconstruction, or other political justifications for the coin's trade exhibition may occur. However, the most recent update in SEBI agreements may help to reduce the cost of ADA bulls to $6 within the next 5 years. Cardano's worth would increase by 198%, from $3.18 to $9.47. Cardano will begin 2023 at $3.18, then rocket to $3.90 within the first half of the year, and finish 2023 at $4.60. That equates to a plus 138% increase from today. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.